Going to the simulation, I learned a lot about how things work in Europe. First, it's a lot more complex than we imagine. I always used to think, oh, Europe, it must be one giant place, one giant culture, and it's not true at all. Europe is made up of many different cultures, many different values, ranging all over the map. So you have some groups that want a certain thing for monetary policy, other groups that want a certain thing. For example, there was a tax that we were trying to pass that France really wanted, but Germany, on the other hand, thought it would hinder their economic viability, and so they voted it down. So you have Europe that I thought should be pretty united on everything, but it's not, because you have so many different cultures, different people, different values, and they're all trying to work together to have one European Union, but it is difficult. It's incredibly different. The Germans have an incredibly different culture from the French versus the Italians, and then Great Britain is incredibly different from all of them. And negotiating through all of that can be really difficult. I think you need to understand that Europe is not Europe. Europe is a collection of many different countries, and only understanding that and trying to really learn about each of the cultures and the perspectives, that's the only way that you could actually do a good job at European PR.